there, quilty friend. It's Carolina Moore, your favorite sewing and quilting YouTuber, and this is year 4 of our Mini Quilt Advent. The Advent boxes have been shipping and they're arriving all over the world, so I thought you might want to take a peek inside one of these Advent boxes with me. Ready? Let's get started. Okay, this is a full box, y'all, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. So let's start with the bonus days, because that's what came out first. I thought I was grabbing the main Advent, but this is the bonus days, so we'll open that up in a second. And this is the Advent. This is the main 12 days of Christmas Advent, and then with the bonus days, it makes a total of 24 days. And then there's more inside here depending on what you order. So you can order just the 12 days Advent, which will get you 12 days, and we'll talk about that in a second. You can add on the bonus days if you want. Then if you want to use the fabric that I'm using in the videos, you can get fabric bundles. So I have in here both a half yard bundle and a fat quarter bundle. If you're just doing 12 days, you only need a fat quarter bundle. If you're doing the 12 days plus the 24 days, you need a half yard bundle. You don't also need the fat quarter bundle. You just need the half yard bundle. You can also use your own fabrics, 8 fabrics, either fat quarter for 12 days or half yards for 24 days is perfect. And then we actually sold out of these bundles. So I went to go get more fabric so I can make more bundles. And y'all, Art Gallery was already out of 2 of the fabrics that I used in the bundles. So we've made a version 2 of these bundles, and I want to show those to you. So the version 2 of the bundles has 6 of the same fabrics. The gifts, the Christmas tree lights, this really fun border print that we actually don't use as a border print, but we use in so many different ways. The little trees, the green stars, and then this peppermint stripe that I used for my sashing. And then these 2 are new, and they're ones that I almost bought. Like, it's so hard picking just 8 fabrics for these bundles. So these 2 are the ones that are substitutions, which is this really fun poinsettia floral and these really cute hot cocoa cups, and they are the substitutions for, I'll show you the original fabrics. So let's open up this half yard bundle, or this is a half yard bundle. So these are substitutions for this ornament fabric. So I chose this poinsettia as a replacement for that ornament fabric, and then also these big trees, and I chose the hot cocoa cups as a replacement for those. So these are the 2 fabrics that they were out of, and they were not going to get them back in stock. So I went ahead and picked these really adorable hot cocoa mugs they've got gingerbread and cinnamon sticks and whipped cream and peppermint stick. They're darling. And then this really fun big poinsettia print. So this is our version 2 of the fabric bundles, available as half yard cuts and fat quarter bundles while supplies last. Once these are out, I will not be restocking this fabric again, because y'all, it is killer to get the bundles remade. So there's the fabric, and wait, there's more. Speaking of fabric, there's also a binding kit. So this is another add-on that you can get if you want. If you want to bind your Advent with the same binding fabric that I used, Art Gallery Fabric has this 2.5 edition fabric, which is already set up to be the most adorable binding. And so this year I added on a binding video to our Mini Quilt Advent. We'll talk about that in a second as well. And then there is a little QR code to get you signed up to the newsletter list if you want, and to get you signed up here for the YouTube channel, but hopefully you're already doing that. If not, hit that subscribe button so you're subscribed. And then I have a 2025 block of the month calendar, so I toss my 2025 block of the month calendar in with every order as well. So you not only get the Advent calendar, but you also get all next year's block of the month calendar as well. And I have another video on this if you want to find out about this. Okay, so let's open up the Advent and talk about it. If you're new around here and you don't know about the Advent, oh, this is year 4. It is so fun. I designed this Advent because 4 years ago, the quilting Advents were not that great, y'all. And I wanted the Advent that would make me happy. So they come already wrapped. And this year it's in this really fun pink polka dot tissue with custom ribbon that has my shop's name on it. And you get a project bag. And every year the project bag has the logo in a different color. And so this year it's in gold. And then we actually did a little upgrade on the bags this year. Let me know if you like it. Right here is a little business card pocket. So you can add a little card that says the year, or if you use this bag for something else, the project that you're working on. So it has that little business card pocket upgrade this year. Okay, so let's dive into this. There won't be any spoilers yet, but if you hang out, there will be some spoilers. I'll make sure to give you a heads up before I go spoiling anything inside any of these envelopes. Okay, so you get your Mini Quilt Advent instructions. Mini Quilt Advent instructions, this is just the kind of overview of how it works. Inside is the finishing instructions, both for the 12 days and the 24 days. So you have the instructions for both. And then on the back are a bunch of QR codes and video links that will take you straight to the videos. So there's a playlist video that will take you to the whole 2024 Mini Quilt Advent playlist. There is the 12-day finishing video, so that when you want to put it all together, there's your finishing video. There is the quilting and trimming video. So once you have put all the blocks together, to trim it up, to quilt it, and then to trim it up. Because I added that on this year. I added on a quilting video so that it would encourage you to not just make the mini quilt, but also actually finish it and quilt it, which meant that I also finished and quilted mine. There's also a binding video where I show you how to attach the binding, specifically using this 2.5 edition binding, but of course you could use whatever binding that you want. And then when I was making the 24 days version, I ended up doing a pieced backing for that. And instead of just having that for the people who are doing 24 days, the pieced backing video is also going to go up in December. So if you wanted to learn how to do a pieced backing, either for this or anything else out there, I have a pieced backing video coming for you in December. So all those QR codes and links are right here, so that if you are working on this 3 years from now, you can scan the QR code and it'll take you straight to the video and you won't have to go digging for it here on the YouTube channel. So I thought that'd be easier. And then to avoid spoilers, I'm not going to show you the inside. As we were assembling the Advent calendars, I discovered the biggest mistake. Now, Advents is a year-long process for me. I start designing starting in January for the Advent that comes out in December. I design the templates, I design the patterns. It's this whole huge process. And then also in that process, I start working on the block of the month for the next year. So dates are super all over the place in my head between what year I'm in. And in that process, I accidentally put 2023 on all of the Advent patterns. Now, these are not the same patterns as last year because last year was diamonds and this year is rectangles, so we know it's completely different. But somehow I managed to get the date wrong. So I gave y'all a bonus set of stickers that have 2024 on them so that you can put a 2024 sticker on all of your patterns. And that way they will say 2024. And as long as I was giving you a sticker sheet, I went ahead and added a couple bonus stickers, which are the tree that's on the shirt that I'm wearing in all my videos. So you get these fun little quilty tree stickers as well. Along with your 2024 stickers, if you want to go ahead and update your patterns to be able to say 2024 on them. So that's what this little sticker sheet is. And then you have your envelopes. So there are 12 envelopes in the main Advent, and we'll go ahead and open up a couple of them. This is day 1, and it says day 1 on the front. And inside is your pattern for day 1, a QR code on the back that'll take you directly to the video, and your acrylic template for that day to be able to make that pattern. Every single day you open it up, you get a pattern with a QR code to a video right here so that we can make the block together, and your acrylic template to be able to cut out your fabric pieces for that day's block. So at the end of 12 days, you have 12 brand new custom templates, and you'll have made 12 blocks that you can put together into a mini quilt. So as long as I've spoiled this, I'm going to go ahead and open up the inside of this so you can see that quilt. So these are the instructions for making the 12 days version or the 24 days version. And at the end of this video, I'll also show you those quilts real quick. Okay, so that is the 12 days. I'm going to move on to the 24 days. Now, traditionally, the Mini Quilt Advent was 12 days, but people wanted more, and I can't blame them. So I added 12 more days. It was really important to me that the main Advent stay less than $100 because I know that we don't all have buku bucks to spend on ourselves. So I wanted to have an Advent that was affordable, and then bonuses and add-ons if you wanted more, but still something that was affordable for just about anyone to join in. Okay, so this is the bonus days. And the bonus days gives you another zippered pouch. This one is a little smaller, nice little project bag. This one also has the upgrade again with that business card pocket here, so that you can add any kind of information about either just the year, if you keep your Advent in here, or if you use this for other projects, what projects inside there. And then we have the days for the bonus days. The finishing video for both finishing and quilting and trimming and all that are right here. So those are the QR codes that will take you to those videos when you get there, because days 13 through 24 are not live here on YouTube. There are videos here on YouTube, but they are hidden, and the only way you can access those is by going into your days, pulling out the pattern, and then scanning the QR code on the back of the pattern, or typing in the link that's right here. That'll also get you there. So these are hidden videos just for people who are doing the bonus days. Also, this year, days 13, 14, and 15 include a bonus acrylic template. So in the bonus days are not just 12 more patterns that use the same acrylic templates, but 3 more acrylic templates for your Advent calendar. All right, I'm going to give you a quick peek at the finished quilts. This is the 12-day Mini Quilt Advent quilt, and then a super quick peek, and I haven't bound this one yet because the binding video is the same for both. So of course I didn't bind this one yet because I didn't have a deadline to bind it by. So this is the 24 days, and on the back of the 24 days you can see there's my pieced backing that I did in that fun pieced backing video. So there we go. That's the Mini Quilt Advent for 2024. Currently, as I'm filming this video, we still have them in stock, so you can go ahead and go to the links below and order them, and we'll get them shipped out to you ASAP so that you can join in. And when these are sold out, they're sold out. So if you want to order one, make sure that you get it now, because once they're sold out, they will, we don't remake them. Also, if you're someone who looks for things on sale, I will not be putting these on sale. The price will never get lower than it is now. If you want the absolute lowest price for the Mini Quilt Advent, make sure that you are signed up for my email list, because when I do pre-sales in August and September, that's the lowest price ever. And then after that, the price goes to regular price, and it does not go down again. So there we go, my friends. That is the Mini Quilt Advent 2024. Leave your questions and comments down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I don't know what's stopping you. Hit that subscribe button. That's it for today, my friends. I will see you right here real soon. Bye for now.